Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Group channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy F62 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can show contact information on lock screen in your phone, Samsung Galaxy F62. Suppose if you lost your phone, if you missed out your phone, and if someone takes your phone, and if that person would like to hand over it to you, then he don't know who are you, but you can set previously your contact information on the lock screen. Then they can find out your contact information on the lock screen itself, and then they can hand over your phone to you by calling you. Okay, for that, what you have to do is just go to the settings in your phone and click on lock screen and click on contact information, and here you can input your contact information like your phone number or email address or your home address or whatever way, just you can do it. If a person takes your phone, if a person is really genuine, if he wants to hand over it to the owner, then he can find out in the lock screen itself, because he don't know your pattern password. Okay, so here enter your contact information. Here I just showing you uh, entering my phone number 7010379240. Okay, now set your phone like this and keep it permanently, and suppose if you are lost your phone, sometimes somebody may hand over it to you. See here, contact information is showing here, but he don't know the pattern, so he cannot enter into your phone, and he cannot get your contact information through your contacts of your phone. Okay, so just enter this information to be displayed in the lock screen. You can enter your email address or your home address, or whatever the way, whatever idea you have, just present it here. Okay, and they can find it and they can hand over it to you. This will be very useful information for you. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.